The 2014 Volkswagen Amarok Ultimate. The Volkswagen Amarok is one of the youngest pickup trucks on the midsize market. Launched for the 2010 model year, and assembled in both Germany and Argentina, the truck is sold with a range of 4 engines across the world, 3 of which use diesel as fuel. Currently the Amarok is not available in the United States, but word has it Volkswagen is considering a North American introduction in the near future. The fact that Volkswagen is not bringing the Amarok pickup truck to the United States has become increasingly frustrating lately. Especially with so many special editions and trims offered across Europe. The Canyon and the Dark Label editions are the first that come to mind, but we also dig the Power concept, which could turn into a cool, sportier version of the pickup. And to rub more salt in our wounds, Volkswagen is introducing a new high-spec model to sit atop the Amarok lineup for the 2014 model year. Dubbed Amarok Ultimate, the new truck borrows the well-equipped status of the Highline model it is based on, and features additional visual and tech upgrades meant to increase its appeal. Making things even better is the 2.0-liter, 4-cylinder diesel unit that comes with it. The mill is available in 2 flavors, packing 138 horsepower and 177 horsepower, respectively. Like with the rest of the Amarok lineup, the only downside of the Ultimate is its exclusive double cab body configuration. There's also the hefty sticker, which is set at €34,770 and €41,376.30 respectively, $47,158 and $56,135 as of the 12th of June 2014. Click past the jump to read more about the 2014 Volkswagen Amarok Ultimate. Volkswagen Amarok Ultimate in detail. On the outside, the Amarok Ultimate is recognizable thanks to its brand new bi-xenon headlamps with integrated LED daytime running lights. This feature is only available as an option on other Amaroks. The front fascia also benefits from additional chrome details, while the mirror covers are finished in silver, as are the underbody guard and the side stripes. The exterior look is rounded off by a set of 19-inch alloy wheels wrapped snugly in 255/55 R19 rubber and a choice of 6 body colors, including the delicious toffee brown. Other colors include candy white, natural gray, reflex silver, starlight blue, and deep black. Once inside, customers will get to sit in anthracite and titanium black Alcantara seats, and sink their shoes into special cut pile floor mats. Standard features also include heated front seats, electric and heated mirrors, rear assist park pilot, and Volkswagen's RNS 315 navigation system. Don't you wish you could park one in your driveway? Volkswagen Amarok.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.